Hi, I'm Ed, cybersecurity specialist. Continuing our phishing series, I want to go over phishing attacks that come through email. These attacks can have two different purposes. One, to steal your personal information, while the other is to download software that may let a hacker take over your computer. Here's how you can identify a malicious email. Check for any misspellings, as this can often be a sign of a fake email. Another way to tell is by checking the sender's email address. Check to see if it's different from the email they asked you to reply to. Most companies usually keep them the same. If an email seems urgent, like an email from your bank that says your account has been compromised, don't click on the link. Go to your bank's website or app and check there directly. Now, here's an example of a malicious email that we received recently. As you can see, there are misspellings in the email, as well as two different email addresses. Clicking and downloading the PDF in the email can potentially put a virus on your computer. A best practice is to never click on any links in emails that you don't recognize. And make sure your computer software is always updated to the latest version, especially if you have a Windows computer, as they're more prone to viruses. If you haven't seen our previous video about the dangers of ignoring software updates, you can watch it by clicking on the link above. If you liked and enjoyed our simplified approach to cybersecurity, be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this one. Also, make sure to share with your friends and family to raise awareness and protect your community.